In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your calendar on the right side of your Outlook screen in just 5 minutes. We'll go through this process step by step, ensuring that by the end you'll have a seamless integration of your calendar and mailbox. This setup is especially handy for those who love to multitask or for anyone looking to streamline their day-to-day activities by having an overview of their schedule right next to their emails. First things first, let's start by heading over to the Outlook website. If you don't have the link handy, simply type Outlook login into your search bar, and it should be one of the top search results you see. So this will take you to a page where you can log into your Microsoft 365 account. Now, if you already have an account, you'll just click on the sign in button, which you'll easily find in the middle of the page, or sometimes up at the top right corner depending on the layout of the website. Enter your credentials, your email address and password just as you normally do. And remember, it's always a good practice to ensure your password is secure and that you're logging in through a secure network. If you've forgotten your password, there's usually a forgot password option you can click to reset it. Once you're signed in, you'll automatically find yourself on the main page of your Outlook mail. From here, our goal is to navigate to the calendar, look through the menu or the icons on the left side of the screen. You're looking for an item that simply says Mail. Clicking on Mail may take you to a more compact view of your mailbox, or it might not appear to change where you are just yet, but it's an important step in our process. After you've clicked on Mail, start searching for the option labelled Calendar. This option is often positioned right below Mail on the left-hand menu. Clicking on this will bring your calendar into view. This page will show you your schedule, appointments and meetings in a full monthly layout. If you're someone who relies on visual cues and timelines, this change of view can make a huge difference. With your calendar in view, our next focus will be enabling the split view. Look for a small button or option along the top, or perhaps on the side that says split view. Not every layout will have this readily apparent, so take your time to browse the settings or menu until you find it. Clicking it may prompt your screen to split, showcasing both your inbox and calendar side by side. For those using Outlook on a desktop, you might even have the choice to manually adjust these windows to customize how much space your mailbox versus your calendar occupies on the screen. Once the split view is activated, you will likely see your mailbox on one side and your calendar on the other. And that's it, you're now able to see your emails and schedule at the same time, making life that much easier. For those who prefer additional tips, here's one. Practice adjusting the size of your calendar and email pane as required. Depending on how much information you usually deal with, you might find that a larger calendar view aids in better planning, or a larger email pane could be beneficial if your job involves significant back and forth emailing. Options for personalization will depend on the version of Outlook, but it's worth looking into these settings right now to maximize productivity. And there you have it. In just a few quick steps, you've transformed your Outlook interface into a powerhouse of efficiency. Not only does this help with time management by providing an immediate view of upcoming meetings while attending to emails, but it also might just allow you to catch that important message or meeting you would have otherwise missed. I hope this walkthrough has been clear and helpful. Feel free to revisit any particular step you might find tricky. Mastering Outlook's functionality can truly change the way you manage your digital workspace. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks to optimize your tech life. Until next time, happy browsing, and we'll see you in the next video.